I'm Miranda.
We are Cloud Perspective. So 3 years ago, we were both made redundant from our jobs. We both lost our jobs. We thought, what are we going to do now? So we thought, rather than having somebody else control our future, what we'll do is we'll start a business. So what should we do? Maybe we're carrying the story from there, Miranda.
Well, I've been using Salesforce and as a sales manager, and I really liked the tool. I thought it was very exciting. And I'd also started using Informatica Cloud and thought, this is fantastic. It's a great way of moving data around. And the company I was working for at the time were really struggling to do that. So I thought, I want to be in the Salesforce world. And so I went off and got some Salesforce credentials. I'm a certified Salesforce Sales Cloud consultant and Service Cloud consultant. And I set up a business as a consultant.
And amazingly, the first job that we got involved moving 3 legacy databases from Oracle to Salesforce using Informatica Cloud. It was a tool we'd not come across before, but it was so easy to understand, get moving with. I've got a programming background, so in terms of writing SQL and that sort of thing, we were right there. And we found it within 3 or 4 months that we really understood the tools well. We were moving data very clearly and freely for this customer. And then we went and met Informatica at a show in London.
We said, what can we do for you? We love your tools. What do you need in EMEA that we can offer? And it came up that perhaps there's a need for some training.
And very quickly we started doing all of Informatica's training in EMEA. We obviously got more projects, and then we also started working with a company called DataScout in London.
And DataScout had come up with this product, which is a Cloud MDM product. Nothing like it ever before in Force.com. And it was a little bit challenging to start with, but we really got our sort of teeth into it. And we started delivering the product for DataScout. And lo and behold, what should happen?
But Informatica then went and bought DataScout. And we found ourselves, strangely, one of the only companies, a small company in the world, who knew all of the product sets together. Basically working with the tools, working with them together in concert, basically doing a system rather than just individual tools to actually create a solution for the customer.
And so that's how it's gone, and we've worked very closely with Informatica. So we're still based in the north of England. We deliver all of our work, or the majority of our work, across the world. So some of Informatica Cloud's largest customers, but we do it all from small offices in the north of England. You may have heard of Wigan.
And so where we are now is we've now completed around about 35 Cloud MDM projects on behalf of Informatica and also directly with customers as well. They're a great tool set and it really delivers for the customer. In fact, one of the latest customers we've got is
Everton Football Club.
And what we've done for them is we've merged several databases together to get them a single view of the customer in a B2C environment. And we think this is going to be a great market.